Super nice for thin tomatoes like this. But what happens when my ceramic knives get dull? Oh, it's very easy. I break out the Diamond Ceramic Knife Sharpener exclusive. Check it out. Anyway, I like to sharpen my own, and that's what this video is all about. So for over 10 years, we've been rocking this baby. It's still going. You can barely see it on here. Kyocera. So all I use is this little rest right here. This little rest. The knife goes in the rest like this, and this is a small diamond file. It's one of these awesome exclusives. You're only going to find it at your sponsor, and the file just goes from the tip to the heel. You flip the knife over, and you repeat from the heel to the tip. And you do this a few times. You can use water, you can do it dry, whatever your choice is. Little tiny bit of ceramic dust ends up on the diamonds here. You can score all these cool things at your sponsor. I just wanted to show you what I've been working with, what I've been rocking. I do enjoy these ceramics. Obviously they're not for everything. They're for fruits and vegetables, and you know, they're good for a lot of different things. Don't try cutting a hard acorn squash. You'll be sorry. And you might not cut that squash. I don't know. I've never tried. Watermelon, apple, pears, oranges, onions, peppers, garlic, fish. It goes on and on and on. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Sharing the video helps others find it. Hitting the like button helps more people find the healthy stuff on this channel. Search the chef's database of recipes. Never stop learning. Oh yeah. This is the good stuff right here. I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together, or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe, and wow, it's gonna really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it. Not expensive, and it only takes about 30 seconds on each side. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons and dragon fruit. Search the recipe. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Have a great day. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA. Only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not buy the best quality products the first time? Talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA, the best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. On a side note, thank you for watching another video, and make sure to press play, find your favorites, and don't forget, subscribe. Never miss one of the chef's videos. Gonna learn a lot of things on this channel, save money, live longer, eat healthy. Oh yeah. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Or the best vanilla beans, extracts, vanilla powder, vanilla seed specks. Get all that stuff at your sponsor. It's the best. Yeah. Don't forget to check out the butcher blocks, islands, tables, bars, counters, cutting boards while you're there. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.